guys, welcome to my home. Today I got a very special Lush fund just for me kind of thing. It is all the way from South Africa, and it's from a soap maker that I've admired for years. I think she makes the most beautiful soap, and I am so glad I finally was able to scrap together enough to buy some of her beautiful products. This is Clara Lindbergh. Well, most of you probably know her as Auntie Clara, and she has the most incredible blog you'll ever come across on the art of soap making. One of my favorites, one of my absolute favorites. One of my absolute favorites. I'll just switch. I got in. Really excited about this if you can't tell. Oh, Jennifer! So she put my name on the top so she can keep track. She must get lots of orders. Alright, so let's see what I ordered. I ordered Snail Soap, Sandalwood Vanilla Soap, Traditional Pine Tar Salt, Salty Licorice Soap, Mexican Lace Soap, and Buchi Soap. So I ordered everything I wanted to try. So let's see. You see the packaging? So pretty. Oh my goodness, you're not going to get to see any of the soaps, guys, because the packaging is so pretty. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to open any of them. Maybe one of them. Okay, let's start with this one. This is Buchi Soap. Look at how beautiful it's packaged. I love it. I love it. Now this is made with a Buchi infusion, which is something that's a South African ingredient that I don't really think I can get a hold of, which is one of the reasons I was so interested in it. And Buchi leaves, ground Buchi leaves. Oh, sounds wonderful. So if you want to see what this looks like unwrapped, go to Auntie Clara's website, because I'm not unwrapping it. It's beautiful though, I'll tell you that. So that's the Buchi soap. I'll put it there so you can see it. Next one is the Snail Soap. This is the one I'm going to open, although it's tempting to leave it covered. Snail mucilin is something that is used in the beauty industry that is supposed to have anti-aging properties. And I'm really, really interested in that ingredient. And that's one of the reasons I bought this soap. We have a lot of snails around here of the proper variety for harvesting that particular ingredient. And if it can be harvested in a way that's humane, I might give it a try. Even if it's just, letting them crawl on my face. see what it's like, right? Then encouraging people to get their own pet snail. Clean your face really well and then let them kind of glide around on your thing and see how you like it. You have to detoxify them first, and I know how to do that. And if that doesn't work out, we can always make escargot. Either way, I will show you the whole process. So snail soap is something that's just made me think of all of the possibilities of that particular ingredient. I love snails. I love mollusks. I love. Ooh, this is going to be hard to open. Okay, there we go. There is. If I can open it without destroying it, all the packaging, it will be much happier. Perhaps. All right. That smells good. So this is what it looks like. A little snail in there. Isn't that adorable? Actually, it has an opacity to it. It's interesting. See the top there? Very interesting. I like it. And it smells good too. It smells beautiful. So there is Snail Soap. Okay, let's do that. Next one. Oh, this is fun. She has fun with her packaging. Traditional Pine Tar Soap. Another one that I'm interested in making, I've got a big jar of pine tar. And you know what? Hers doesn't smell that bad. She's paired it with something powdery. And I kind of like it. I kind of like it a lot. Ah, she used merino wool in her, so that's interesting. We have that in common. How wonderful. All right, there is the pine tar soap. Very pretty. And check out the top. I've been wanting to get my own wax seal too. Maybe I'll work on getting some packaging stuff. I've already started that process, but it would be fun. Salty licorice. One of my favorite things in the world is salty licorice. And because it was next to the pine tar, I can smell that too. But on this side, you can smell the licorice. That's going to be gorgeous. It's an activated charcoal soap. Interesting. Her oil blends are different. They're not all the same. That is pretty cool. Let's see all of those. 2 more to go. Mexican lace. Oh, I like her packaging. This is super cute. Beautiful. This one smells. This is another activated charcoal, and it has sugar. Handmade in South Africa. This is so cool. Thank you, Auntie Clara. I am loving this. Oh, I am just loving every little thing about this. Oh, that smells wonderful. Sandalwood Vanilla. Okay, this one's my favorite next to the Snail Soap. Snail Soap scares me a little bit, honestly. But it smells lovely. It really does. It smells lovely. But this one may be the first one I use. No, I'll be using that one first, but this one's next on the list. I love that. I love it. Hydrolyzed alpaca fiber in this one. See, guys, you can use them all. Release that keratin and let it wash your skin. Lots of cocoa butter in this one. I'll have to read up on which fragrance she used for this. I like it. Sandalwood and Vanilla. That's the fragrance. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Well, thank you, Auntie Clara. I feel amazing. I can't wait to try these, and I'll let you guys know. So if you want to get your own, head on over to Auntie Clara's in South Africa, and you may as well order a few, kind of like ordering from my shop. It costs the same to ship 1 bar as it does 3 or 4, so you may as well get with everything that you want, because the shipping's not going to be much less, all right, or much more. All right, this was wonderful. It was worth it, totally worth it. I'm so excited. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this Lush unboxing from Auntie Clara's in South Africa, and I hope you come on back soon. We will have an actual Lush unboxing sometime. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye for now, guys. Mwah!